Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, I welcome you all to the first introductory class. Today, in this class, we'll be talking about the main content and the paper, the code as well of the paper. Let's begin with the introduction. Before I begin with the introduction, I would like to mention an important thing that my classes are going to be bilingual, or maybe it depends on the students. If you're comfortable with Urdu, my lecture will be in Urdu, or if you're comfortable in English, it will be in English, or if you think that it could be bilingual, then inshallah it will be bilingual. So the topic today of the introductory class is how to get A star. So there are few simple steps to follow to get an A star. So students of Islamia, they get so in the beginning it seems to be very easy, because as a Muslim, this is this is very easy for a subject. We feel it, so we feel comfortable and easy. But with the passage of time, they get tired of due to its extensive syllabus. But with the however, with the effective revision plan or proper time management, you can easily achieve A star, inshallah. So the code of the subject is 2058 for O levels and 0493 for IGCSE. And this subject is based upon two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Let's briefly talk about the syllabus. So this is the assessment at a glance. And this is the layout from, I just took this image from the syllabus so that you get the exact idea. So this paper is, paper 1 is based upon 1.5 hours. Similarly, for paper 2, it is also 1.5 hours. Then in paper 1, it is based upon 5 questions, and out of 5 questions, you need to attempt 4 questions. Question 1 and 2 are compulsory, and other than these first 2 questions, you need to attempt 2 more questions. So it means that these first 2 topics, that you must prepare first these 2 topics, because you'll get 2 compulsory questions from these 2 topics. And then from next 2 topics, you need to attempt 2 more questions. You'll be getting 3 questions out of these topics. Now, if I talk about the next, so paper 2, again, it is 1 hour and 30 minutes, and it is also based upon 5 questions. You need to do 4 questions out of 5. Question number 1 and 2, again, compulsory in paper 2. And then other than first 2 questions, you need to attempt 2 more questions. So in paper 1, there are total 8 topics you need to prepare. So under 8 topics, there are details. You need to manage the time. Inshallah, in the next slide, I'll explain. So first topic is from the Quran, the major themes of the Quran. You get passages of Quran, and this question is based upon 8 marks. Next is the history and importance of Quran. Third topic is the life and importance of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, and the fourth one is from the Islamic community. In paper 2, first question, which is compulsory, you will be getting 4 passages are set from the appendix 2, which is hadith, and this is of 8 marks, and the rest of the questions, 3 questions, are of 14 marks. Similarly, it is the questions are, question 1 is of 8 marks, and the other 3 questions are of 14 marks. And each question contains 2 parts, part A and part B. So first topic is majored in the hadith of the Prophet. Topic 2 is the history and importance of the hadith. Then third topic is the period of rule of the rightly guided caliphs and their importance as leaders. And the fourth one is the articles of faith and the pillars of Islam. So if we see what are the tips and tricks to cover the syllabus. So the tips to cover the syllabus is try to complete 1 topic in 3 days. So which means in 24 days, you can easily complete your syllabus. From this strategy, it seems like that in just 2 months, you can easily get A star. So learn at least 2 verses or hadith about each topic, revise verses, and practice at least 10 years of past papers. So what are the tricks to attempt the paper? So let's talk about question number 1. In both papers is compulsory, which having said earlier. And part B require answer using your daily life examples. Remember, in part B, you must mention at least the example from the daily life, example from the life of the Prophet, and real life examples are appreciated. And answers must be brief and comprehensive. Part A of rest of the questions will be of 10 marks, and part B of the rest of the questions is of 4 marks. So try to explain 3 to 4 facts in each paragraph of 8 to 9 lines. Include hadith reference wherever possible. And if you want to get A star, if your target is A star, then you must give an introductory paragraph and conclude your answer. Make a conclusion paragraph. So it gives a comprehensive look to your answer. So these are the few things which inshallah we'll be discussing in details in the next classes. So this is the level of response provided by the Cambridge. These are the details of the level marking. So we'll inshallah discuss just to show you that inshallah these things are going to be our target. So see you inshallah in the next class. If you've joined the class, you're all welcome. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.